Celebrate with us. Our fiestas are waiting. Fiesta Filipinas, an online celebration of Philippine festivals.
Hello guys! So welcome back again to another vlog and welcome to my channel. So this is Pinoy Chef Food Vlog. Ang haba. By the way, this is my daughter Gia. Say hi.
Hi.
So for today's video, we will be unboxing this one. Okay, so this box is a Fiesta Filipinas. The Philippine Embassy in Seoul sent this to us through Vice Consul Liza Viejo. So, ito po yung box na to. So, i-unbox natin. So, do you know what is Fiesta in Philippine? No? So, Fiesta in Philippines means festival. Okay, so this is the box. Yan, so okay, so Fiesta Filipinas is an online celebration of Philippine festival. So actually, marami silang sinesend na ganito sa mga OFW o sa mga Pinoy abroad, mga Pinoy na nasa abroad. So ayan, so ang napunta sa atin na festival is itong Panagbenga. Ayan. So, maraming fiesta-fiestang klaseng boxes at ang napunta sa atin ay yung Panagbenga Festival or ito yung festival sa Baguio, di ba? Alam niyo yan, yung parade ng mga flowers, yan, pagandahan ng mga ang tawag doon, mga carousel doon, o yung, ano man tawag doon, please comment down below guys kung anong klase yun, yung may sasakyan tapos nagde-decorate sila ng mga bulaklak. So that is the festival. This is a flower festival from Baguio.
From where?
From Baguio. Baguio in Philippines this is the highest place, like a mountainous place, mountainous city. So it's a little bit cold there compared to Manila. So yeah. So let's unbox it, guys. So would you like to unbox it?
Okay, get it on.
Okay.
Maybe we could rip the box. There.
Okay, so what's inside the box?
Something like a...
So it says here, mabuhay. So meron silang brochure. The Philippines has a traditional of celebrating festas or festival all year round. Different cities all over the country have the different festivals that are held mostly in honor of patron saints and historic events that brings the community together. Ayan. So meron siyang mga brochure. At ito rin pamphlet nila. Ayan. So let's... Ayan, so let's unbox this. Are you excited to open this one?
Yeah.
Do you know...
There's a flower inside.
There's a flower inside. Okay,
Yeah,
let's
I
see.
think it's a flower.
Okay, unbox it.
festival.
I think there's lots of flowers inside because it's a flower festival, right?
Yeah.
Ooh.
There's a small flower.
Yeah, this is a dried flower. Is there a smell? There's no smell, but it's nice.
Yeah, look
It's a
nice.
dried, I think.
Ooh, soft.
Yeah.
Bottle, maybe.
They have a bottle. I don't know what kind. Okay. So you put
Maybe
this.
there's-
You put this like this.
You put the flower inside.
Yeah.
See what's in it. I hope it's right. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Let's open it. Wow.
There is some.
There's some quadja or some.
Jackfruit, pineapple plus banana.
So this is a chip, banana chip and pineapple chip, I think.
Oh.
Right.
And next is something coconut plus purple yam and plus banana.
Banana. Turn crispy. Oh, I haven't tried this one. So I think this is a new product, especially for this box. I don't know.
what this is. Oh, maybe it's a coffee.
Oh, there's a coffee.
Oh, and there's something like a letter too. But before that, there's some chocolate. Dark chocolate. 65% dark chocolate thing.
So these are all made in Philippines.
Wow.
Let me see.
This is it, maybe.
So this came from, or this is a product of Davao. Yeah, Davao chocolate, all natural, made from tree to bar. Yeah, so meron na
And
palang mga
there's
chocolate
something
ngayon na
Like a
magandang
card.
quality ang Pinas, ha.
Do
So
we
dati kasi
open it?
wala masyado mga ganito eh. So mayroon na palang mga chocolate na kagaya nito ngayon sa Pinas.
I'll open it.
What's
There's
that?
something like a card. There's something written to it. Maybe it's like a card or like a purple flower.
So what's this? Let's open it.
This is that flower. I think behind it there's magic.
I think this is you can put this in the fridge like this, but
Yeah, but
our fridge is not made of metal. It's made of
yeah,
glass.
but here it's made of metal, but we
Really?
can't put it there. Peas shells are harvested from the tropical water of the South China surrounding the Philippine Islands.
Our window made of this. This is a shell, translucent shell. So like that. They don't put color. It's just like plain white and like translucent like that. Okay, so the last thing,
A coffee.
coffee, and
Try to
inside of the this box we called it banig. You know, when we were young, we used to sleep with this one. We don't have a bed. We just roll this on the floor and we sleep here in the banig. So this coffee, I like coffee, right?
Maybe.
So
I think so.
this is kaping barako, I think. Let's show them.
All right.
Yan.
This is the coffee.
Yeah, this is Benguet coffee. It's located in the northern portion of the island of Luzon in the Philippines. It has an elevation of over 5,000 feet above sea level and receives an average precipitation of 120 Bam. So this is ready to make coffee. I mean, you just put hot water, you put in the cup, and you don't need a coffee machine with this one. Just pour in the cup, pour hot water on it.
It's just this.
It smells good. You don't like coffee?
Of course.
That's all, I think. So we've got these chips, banana and langka, and banana chips and pineapple
And
chips.
chocolate.
And chocolates and coconut purple yung banana
And
And
this coffee.
with the banig. So you wanna try chocolate?
Okay.
Okay.
The big one.
Okay, let's try. Para maganda yung quality niya, parang pang-export quality.
One piece.
It's a pure chocolate.
I think it's okay.
So this is what you call dark chocolate.
No.
Pure chocolate. Tastes really good. Let's try this one. Okay.
Let me try that first.
Which one?
Yeah.
This one, because you really like banana and pineapple, right?
I mean,
Maganda rin yung plastic niya, ha, talagang pang-export quality.
big.
Balot pa lang. Mukhang masarap na.
You try first.
Okay, we'll try first. So this is on the chips.
Smells okay.
It's mixed taste of pineapple and langka, jackfruit, and banana. So the taste is a little bit sour and mixed taste of pineapple and langka. That's really good actually. Okay, so let's try this one. So this is coconut and purple yam banana.
yam.
Actually, they are same chips, but different taste. Ube. Good.
Not that bad.
Not that bad.
So it's nice though.
Nice. Okay guys, that's all for today's vlog. And once again, thank you to Department of Foreign Affairs through Philippine Embassy in Seoul. And thank you very much for sending this box. I really enjoyed it. Right? Did you enjoy it? Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. And once again, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel if you want to learn more cooking tips and video tutorials. If you enjoy eating and cooking, so subscribe on my channel. Hit the notification bell so you will be updated every time I post new video. Okay, it's your turn.
What?
What?
Make sure to subscribe and like and hit the thumbs up
And
and leave the comments below.